I am an American citizen and I am in America. This is the nation of America, the United States of the American, the United States of America. Do you even understand what that means legally, sir? Do you even understand what that means legally, sir? All of the defense equipment produced by the United States is partial property of the United States citizen. I have the right to keep and bear arms produced from my nation. Obviously, I have the right to keep and bear arms produced from who? From where? Obviously, my own nation. So I have the right to keep and bear arms produced by my nation. So, what are my weapons and what are my defense equipment tools doing scattered all over the planet? My people, the United States citizens, we have a say here. We don't want those weapons over there. Who is in control of dispersing all of this defense equipment all over the planet? This is unacceptable. This is the most basic Second Amendment law created for the citizen. And it wasn't just a partial categorization that was a right for the citizen. It was in connection to the structures of the nation. The citizenry is a part structure categorization of the nation. We have the peacetime citizenry category. We have the departmentalizations of the nation. And they're supposed to work in unison together. That is the primary initial basis of our entire nation and the way it was supposed to work and the way it is supposed to work. It is not speculation. It has been enacted into law since the beginning of our nation, since the very first moment that our nation started to exist, when our originators created our nation. Legally, as a U.S. citizen, I am part owner of all of the defense equipment in the nation. So what is our defense equipment? What is our stuff doing scattered all over the planet? This is unacceptable. The Second Amendment was created not for the citizen to solely just own one firearm and then consider that as, oh, that individual has a firearm. No. The Second Amendment was created for the entire citizenry to act as a unit, a non-combatant unit, in support of the other departmentalizations, to have access, obviously, to all the defense equipment that the nation produces, the United States of America produces. That means that the United States citizen is part owner of the defense equipment, which means legally I have a say. This is not speculation. It has been enacted for 245 years since the beginning of our nation, when our originators created our nation. Okay? And like the Constitution says, all men are created equal within our borders. Within our borders. And we all are part of a unit category that has equal say here. Okay? Legally. So what are my defense equipment tools doing scattered all over the planet? We have no interest in being a superpower here. We don't have no interest in being a bully or having our defense equipment tools out there for no reason. We have no business with other countries and other cultures. They have their own problems. We have our own problems. They need to deal with their own business and their own problems, and we have to deal with our own business and our own problems here. We are a nation that is unlike any other, where the United States citizen has been granted and enacted rights by our originators, not by some crazy guy, homeless guy Was created by our originators since the beginning of our nation, that says that the civilian is part owner of all the defense equipment produced by the nation. I have the right to keep and bear arms produced by who? Produced by who? Produced by my nation, obviously. Not produced by someone else. Obviously, I have the right to keep and bear arms produced by my nation. And it's not just a 9mm legally. It is, I am part owner of all the defense equipment of my nation. And this legal structure, legal protocol has been ignored illegally by people who consider themselves above our originators that created our nation. Who are these people that feel that they are above our creators, that feel that they are above our originators that created our nation? We have a law that has been enacted for more than 245 years that says that the civilian has legal access to bring to account our defense equipment. What is our defense equipment doing overseas? Why? We have no business there.